Xiaomi Pad 7, the brand's latest tablet, features a premium design and capable hardware. Xiaomi Pad 7 is the latest offering from Xiaomi's tablet series, designed to meet the demands of work, creativity, and entertainment in a portable and stylish device. Equipped with impressive hardware upgrades, the Xiaomi Pad 7 enhances productivity, streaming, and interactive experiences, making it an excellent choice for users who require power and convenience on the go. The Xiaomi Pad 7 was announced with a tall 11.2 inches IPS LCD with a resolution of 3200 by 2136 pixels. The display has a maximum refresh rate of 144 Hz and a claimed peak brightness of 800 nits. The device also supports HDR10 and Dolby Vision. An optional feature of the Pad 7 is a nano texture display, which adds a matte layer on top that reduces display reflectivity up to a claimed 65% and provides a paper-like texture. Of course, as you can tell from the pictures, our review unit does not feature this coating, and it's only available on select configurations. Xiaomi built this new tablet with a metal unibody, adding to its premium design that matches the Apple iPad series. Under the hood, it is equipped with the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 SoC, which is paired with up to 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 GB UFS4.0 of internal storage. A massive 8,850 mAh battery pack powers this device, which supports 45 watts wired fast charging. For optics, the rear has a 13-megapixel rear camera, while the front house has an 8-megapixel selfie shooter. This tablet runs on the Android 15 OS-based HyperOS 2 custom skin. The OS brings support for various AI-powered features like AI writing, AI live subtitles, and Xiaomi Creations features. Other notable features include a 6.18mm slim body that weighs 499 grams, IP52 water and dust resistance, IR blaster, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4, workstation mode, focus keyboard support, and a quad speaker setup. In terms of accessories, Xiaomi is also releasing a keyboard called the Focus Keyboard, which includes a trackpad and adaptive backlit keys. The keyboard attaches magnetically to the Pad 7 and communicates via pogo pins on the back of the device. The company is also launching the Focus Pen Stylus, which has 0G activation force, 192 levels of pressure sensitivity, and ultra-low latency. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.